Hi everybody, hi VIP members. Today we decided to make a very special video for you. You know, people like us, like artists, you only see us on stage. So today I actually have a new hobby. I like to cook now. So I'm gonna cook and maybe it could be useful for you too. So we're making the chicken wings today. And I will of course tell you everything what I'm doing. Every single spices, like all my moves, I will tell you everything, and I think it's gonna be really good. I'm not very professional in this. I just started like a few months ago, so you're welcome then to write me something. Maybe you can send me something too, like some recipes or something. So I think we can start right now. I have chicken wings here. So what I'm doing first, I'm gonna marinate them for half an hour, and I'm putting there black pepper, just as much as you think you need to put. Of course, it depends how many chicken wings you have there. I put salt. Right now I use like celery salt, but you can use just regular salt too. Doesn't matter. I put like dill and parsley. Parsley is kind of tricky here. Так, он долго сыпется. And I actually add curry powder. Curry powder or turmeric, like whatever you want. You can use whatever you like. Actually, you just can smell the spices, and whatever you think will be good there, you put. And I put chili powder a little bit to make them a little bit more spicy. Then I mix it. Like, well, when you mix them, you can see what you need to add, like whatever you think. Oh, it smells good already. They need to be like all in this stuff. And I'm adding ketchup, actually, just regular ketchup. Just a little bit, not too much. Just for marinade. What? And just mix them again. So I'm mixing them right now with all the spices and ketchup, just to make sure that all of them are in all this thing. It's really important. They actually should be really juicy because we're going to make them in oven. It's very simple, very fast, and just for people like I am who just started to do something like cooking wise, and like they should be all in the spices and ketchup all together. I think maybe I will do a cooking show one day when I'll learn to cook well. Maybe I should do that. I actually really enjoy cooking. It's really interesting because before I thought that's like cooking, that's just for regular people cooking. Then it's so actually interesting. It's very creative process too, you know, very creative. You can come up with stuff with different spices, and I'm really crazy about kitchen supplies now. I'm actually becoming a fan of cooking. I'm a fan. Becoming a fan. I really hope it could be useful for you, and you can try it, and then you can maybe discuss it on the forum. So now you know my secret. I'm a singer, but I'm a cooking singer. So that's it. Now we need to close it for like half an hour, as I already said. And just like you don't need to put them in the refrigerator or somewhere. Just leave them how they are to marinate. So next step, we're putting all these chicken wings in the special form for baking, and we're gonna put them in the oven soon. So now I'm doing this. Oh, and actually I'm gonna put a little bit more ketchup later on. Just, you know, like a little bit. Everything in here. Okay. So that's what we got. This is beauty. Putting ketchup on top just a little bit because they are going to bake there, and it's gonna be really nice when it's baked. It becomes like I don't know how to explain. Oh, you'll see. You will see. A little bit, just like not too much. Okay, done with this. Okay, now we're putting them in the oven in the middle. And I need to set broil. And I need to set the temperature. Temperature should be 200 degrees Celsius or 395 Fahrenheit. Timer for 40 minutes. 40 minutes in the cold oven. So here we go. Okay. Waiting. So, this is the result of my hard work today. The result is on the table, what I've made, and I need some opinions, right? So to have those opinions, I invited my band here to try what I made. That's gonna be like the first time they will try something I actually cooked myself. And by the way, I'm gonna introduce you our new band member. It's our new York. York is our guitar player. He's from Germany, so as you can see, like all Europeans are here. And Steve was actually late, and you know, Sven, you know, German, they are old already. Old than usual.
Let me try the fruit stem sandwich.
Oh. Whatever, so yeah.
Yeah, toast to the chef.
Cheers, man.
Yeah,
You
I'm
wanna drink it today? Well, we will.
We will.
Cheers. Cheers. Alright.
whatever.
Cheers.
So now they're gonna try. Come on,
Alright, let's do it.
do it.
Do it.
How are we gonna? There's one thing, Lena. Did you know that I'm vegetarian?
Yeah, I know. That's why you have a salad just next to you.
This
See?
is mine.
Okay.
How can you miss out on this? Yeah, I know.
I don't know.
Two. Very
Try.
tempting. Can I go for two? Can I?
No, you try it. Maybe you won't like
Oh,
it.
I think I would like it.
How can we not like it?
I don't
It's
know.
chicken. Hey, it tastes like chicken.
Anyone but Steve will like this.
Yeah. Well, see. Okay. I'm gonna have one too.
Guten Appetit.
Good appetit. Приятного аппетита.
Yeah, guten Appetit. Salad.
Ah, we have potato.
Salad. Awesome.
Salad. We have potato.
Oh, Lena.
Smells good,
Tastes
huh?
good, tastes good.
Ah, you tried it already. Wow. Open the door! Good morning. And you take me the way I am.
Well, it's about time. Freeze to death out here.
Steve, I made something to eat. And you're late,
It
by the way.
smells good in here. I hope it's something
Yeah.
delicious.
Well, it tastes even better.
Well, I'm starving, so let's
Well,
go.
Let's come here.
Is that what I think it is?
Yeah, I made some
You made what?
chicken wings. See?
Oh, I can see. What food can I not eat? There's only one. How could you? How could you make something that I
Well, I
can't have?
forgot. I'm sorry.
Oh, I forgot. Oh, I've known you for 5 years and I forgot. Oh,
Whatever. Don't be such an asshole.
oh screw you.
Oh, screw you. I was trying so hard. I was cooking all day and you're coming here at 10 o'clock in the evening
Late?
after work, late, being late for 6 hours for lunch and telling me that I'm... What did you say? How did you call me?
I said screw you.
Okay, you said screw me.
Because that's what I do. I show up late and I bitch about what you made.
Okay, I made
That's just
potato
what I
and
do.
salad.
You made potato and salad too?
Yeah.
Ah, well you didn't say that.
I remember that you don't eat chickens.
Ah, yeah. Come here. Come here. I'm sorry. Come here. Give me a hug.
Okay. I'm afraid.
You're still an asshole.
Okay,
You're still
I
an
agree.
asshole.
You're
Okay.
too, by the way.
Okay. All right.